Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art from Donna. And today I'm going to try something a little different. I'm sure it's been done by someone, somewhere, because everything's always been done by someone. But I'm going to do a little ring pour here with my, I have some pigments that I made up last night and some paints. And I'm gonna use, I'm gonna make a ring pour with it. Then I'm gonna put my cell activator on top and see if I can actually kind of do a bloom with it maybe. I don't know. I'm not gonna put a pillow down, but let's just see how this is gonna go. I'm just gonna layer a few paints here. This one is this little piggy sapphire, which is a beautiful little color. And I'm not going to put too much paints because I don't think we're going to need that many. And this one is, a color from Color Art, and this is Sunset Glow. It's really a beautiful, beautiful color. I think on top of that one, I'm going to put Harvest Gold, another this little piggy. Okay, I'm sure that may have stopped my video, but I think I got it. Okay, so we're into Harvest Gold here. And then I'm going to put some golden quinacridone magenta. This is a soft body. Lovely color. And this is a gorgeous, look at this, techno. How about that? If that don't wake you up, I don't know what will. Techno, wow. And last but not least, we have Lily Pad, because I do love my greens. And that's Lily Pad. And hopefully that's going to be enough paint to cover up here. But we'll see shortly. And I did take this little cup out of my kitchen, so I probably should have been pouring it the other way. Okay, well, we'll see what happens. Oh, pretty. Hope we get to these blue. Oh, here's the blue. They're coming now. Yeah, we have plenty of paint there. Plenty of paint. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that. How's that for some color? Ooh, love it. And what I think I'm going to do is put a black and a white cell activator down. So here's my white, a little drop of white, and let's get that black. I made this up fresh last night. This should work pretty well. A little drop of black. And let me see if I can bring this to the middle. A little more. Probably should have raised this. I don't think I was thinking when I was doing this. But I'm gonna get up here and see if I can blow this out. Okay, it's looking pretty good. See that? Gonna give it a little time to come back together. Guess we're losing some of those colors. That is looking pretty neat. Let me see if I can put this on top of this cup while that comes back. That looks pretty. I do like the way this is coming. Those colors kind of melding together. So what do you think? Let me stretch that a bit. I think I have to do too much stretching. I don't want to lose those cells in the middle. Here we go. There we go. Yeah, I don't mind moving it this way. Stretch it out a little bit this way would be okay. I do not want to lose those beautiful cells that I have there. Well, sometimes it just has to be about what you're looking at. And what I'm looking at here looks beautiful enough to me. I don't think I should stretch anything anymore. I think I should just leave it the way it is. Maybe you could tell me in the comments if you think I should have done something a little different. I'm not too sure what else I could have done. I just think this is gorgeous the way it is. I do like the way, I like the way it came with all the colors mixed in like that. Yeah, I love this. And I like the black and white cell activator too. Broke it up a little bit. It didn't make it so dark with just the black. I like it without the pillow. Maybe that's why my cells are not expanding enough, but I just love the way it is. So just let me know what you think about this. I'm gonna come in for a close-up at the ends, as I do usually. So please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. Tell your friends about me. This was something different. Hope to see you tomorrow again. Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time of day you're watching. Be safe out there. And go to my Etsy shop. Valentine's Day is coming. I'm going to put some new stuff up every week. So enjoy. Oh, there's my dog going crazy. Must be the mailman. Have a great day. Bye-bye now. Signing off, Donna from Hollywood.